So maybe you're a little bit stressed, overwhelmed, possibly a little bit anxious, and you're just looking for a helpful coping skill. Box breathing might just be what you need. Let's get into it. So I am Joshua. I am a licensed mental health professional. And just a reminder, the content on this page is purely educational and for marketing purposes only. It is definitely not a substitute for therapy or mental health care. So if you know someone who is in a crisis, or you yourself is in a mental health crisis, please reach out to a friend or family member, reach out to a therapist, or if you are having those suicidal ideations, please call 911 and call the suicide hotline. It's very important. Help is always out there. All you have to do is ask. In case you're interested, I also can be found on Twitch. I do stream on Saturday, Sunday, Mondays, and Wednesdays. If you're into that sort of thing, if you like to watch video games or you just like to chat, feel free to stop by. The link will be posted in the comment section below. Today what we're going to do is review a breathing technique called box breathing. So we're going to get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do with box breathing is close your eyes if you want to. I won't be closing my eyes right now because I won't be able to see anything. But the first step that you're going to do is take a deep breath slowly through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Slowly. And you really want to feel that air into your lungs. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to hold that breath that you just took in. All right? Try not to clamp down your nose or purse your lips. Just simply do not take another breath in or exhale for a count of 4 seconds. All right? And then the next thing you're going to do is just slowly exhale for a count of 4 seconds. And you're going to repeat steps 1 through 3 at least 3 times for 4 minutes or until you start to feel calm. Now, if you are someone that finds holding your breath this long difficult or challenging to begin with, you can always opt to go for a lesser number like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or if it's just too easy for you, you can also hold it for longer. Now, there are some different variations of this. There's like 4, 6, 8 breathing. There's all kinds of different variations, but the one thing that remains the same for this coping skill and all coping skills is if you don't believe they're going to work, they're not going to work. If you don't use them, they don't work. And one last piece of advice is that it really may be helpful to practice these coping skills when you're calm, when everything's going okay. So when you are in a crisis, or you are feeling stressed, or you are feeling overwhelmed, and you do need to use one of these, you're going to feel really confident in your ability to use it. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments below what you thought and if it was helpful at all.